Alright, this is Mr. Wise crepe. I don't know what exactly this is. People don't do it like this. What is this? He just had like whipped cream and a bunch of blueberries. What's the point of that?
There it is. That's
it?
That's all.
This is disappointment.
This is mine.
Well, what are you gonna do with this piece?
I don't know.
This crepe just kind of looks like an omelet. Why don't you put some whipped cream on top like there?
Oh wait, this one's messed up.
Why don't you put, how about some honey or marmalade?
No, I don't want.
You need to give it some sweet flavoring.
This is all I'm gonna do.
Oh, he's gonna put some powder sugar?
Oh, you ripped the bag.
I didn't rip the bag.
That's all.
Alright. Okay, look at that. And my friends, and look at Deborah's. Which one do you think is better?
I think you should have a poll and see, on your blog.
Okay, this looks a little stupid. Give me more blueberries. I only have one blueberry right there. Gotta make it prettier, you know? Yeah, you gotta add a couple more blueberries. Well, not that I'm gonna eat this thing, but, make it look pretty. There we go. Come on, folks. You think this one looks nicer? Or this one? Clearly we know the answer. Alright, guys. Signing off.